Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Secret Manager in Cloud Run step by step clearly. To authenticate with Google Secret Manager in Cloud Run, first, access the Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the project where your Cloud Run service is deployed. Ensure you have the Secret Manager API enabled for your project. Go to the IAM and Admins section in the Cloud Console. Identify the service account associated with your Cloud Run service. Grant this service account permissions to access the secrets in Google Secret Manager. Navigate to the Secret Manager section in the Cloud Console. Create a new secret by clicking the Create Secret button. Input a name for your secret and fill in the values you want to store. After creating the secret, take note of the secret's name. In your Cloud Run service, navigate to the Environment Variables settings. Add an environment variable that will hold the secret's name. Use the syntax project_id/secret/secret_name/version/latest for the variable value. Next, enable the Allow Unauthenticated Invocations option if needed, depending on your service's requirements. Deploy the Cloud Run service to apply the changes. Once deployed, write your application's code to access the secret. In the code, use the Google Cloud Secret Manager client library to retrieve the secret. Make sure to authenticate your application's service account to allow it to access the Secret Manager. Test your Cloud Run service to ensure it retrieves the secret correctly. Make any necessary adjustments based on your application's requirements. Congratulations, your Cloud Run service is now set up to authenticate with Google Secret Manager successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.